Joe. Wanted to get a couple questions answered by him to give you guys a little bit more in-depth knowledge about his experience and some of the things that he knows about and has seen in the past. So what are some things that you've seen at certain job sites, or what's the most interesting thing you've seen at a job site or an inspection even?
Interesting thing?
Yeah, anything.
What is the most besides cats in crawl spaces? That's not too interesting. The most interesting thing, I would say I do like the pool jobs where the pools are settling, and the scope of work that goes into fixing that, and the ability that we have to actually to save a pool instead of something losing.
Yeah, those are kind of interesting. No animals, no nothing in crawl spaces?
Yes, cats in crawl spaces. Not a huge fan. No snakes yet. I'd probably quit at that point. As long as we don't push past cats, I think I'm okay.
So, what do you find most enjoyable about your job?
The most enjoyable part of this job is, I gotta say, the freedom to have an open schedule and to go out and to be able to just focus on one individual client, one individual house, and be able to help those people out with that situation and not be pressured as far as the time clock goes or anything like that.
Perfect.